Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shortcut key for your mathematical symbols and some constant in mathematics and sciences. So to do that, you just need to have your FFX installed in your system, and when you click on it, you see all the FFX tools. So the tool you need to create that shortcut for your mathematical symbol and your constant in mathematics is the FX equation. And one of the major aim of this tool is for mathematics teachers or science teachers. Let's say, for example, you have some constant you are always used to in mathematics, like pi, for example, like the physics teachers, like a constant like velocity of light, like gravitational constant. You want to type them and you want to bring them fast instead of you going to insert in your system, going to symbols, start looking for symbols for various. For example, look at currencies now. I need the symbol for naira, which is not in my keyboard. I need a symbol for Ghana cedi, which is not in my keyboard. So, and I don't have the time to keep going to insert and be coming back. Why not just create a shortcut key so that whenever you type the key, the symbol will come out. You use it in your work and you keep going as you teach your math and your science subject. So let me show you how to do that. To get the FX tool installed in your system and integrate it in Microsoft Word. In my previous video, I've shown you how to do that. You can go through my channel, you'll see some of the videos I did on how to install FX equation and integrate it into your Microsoft Word. So just click on FX equation. As you click on it, to open FX equation, just make sure you have opened it down. You see FX equation has been opened already before you go to your Microsoft. So as you open the FX tool, when you go through the FX icons here, let's start on this. You see mathematical symbols. As you click on it, you see so many mathematical symbols. So the manufacturer have already brought us some shortcut. You can see division, plus or minus, you can see congruent sign, approximation, see less than or equals to. There are so many shortcuts. All the shortcuts are in brackets here. So for example, if I need I need symbol for triangle. If I just type the TRI, see the symbol for triangle will appear. So this is the output the way you want it to be in your Microsoft. Then if I need the symbol for alpha, for example, I just put AL. You see alpha has come out the way you want it. But if you don't want the output to be on the below of your system here, because sometimes as you keep typing the symbol, you see it's getting closer to this place. Let's say I need symbol for gamma, for example. See, so you can put the output to be on this side. Just click on this Windows button here, so the output will be here, so that you can be doing your input here. You see your output. So this output this side to come out in Microsoft Word. So if you click on this, it will go to Microsoft the way you want it. You see the triangle symbol, alpha, beta, gamma, just like that. If you want to do any editing, just click on it. You see edit, click on this, you go back to where you come from. So all these are symbols that have already been programmed in FX equation. You can all see them. Look at proportional symbol, you see it's already there. So if I say A is directly proportional to B, for example, I say PROP, you see the symbol didn't appear because I put it as a word. If I give space, you see the proportional symbol has come out. Then I put my B. So A is directly proportional to B. Then you click on this button to go to Microsoft and you continue your work. So instead of you going to insert symbols and start looking for the symbol of proportionality, you go to more symbols. So this may be stressful. You keep doing it every day when you are doing your equation. For example, you want to teach in class or you want to prepare your lesson note, your exam question. So there's no time doing that. Alright, so let's edit. Go to FX, edit. So now what I have for us in this video is this now. So let me show you what I have. So some of this keyboard, like for example, let's take the currencies now, like the naira symbol. We use naira in Nigeria and we don't have the sign of naira in our keyboard. And to go to Microsoft and be looking for Naira symbol, it will take my time. Why not create a shortcut for Naira in this place? So all I need to do, I need to go to the symbol of Microsoft. So this is Naira symbol. So just make sure you copy it here. As you copy it, then go to FX. Then to come to FX, come to shortcut. There's a setting button that you see shortcut. Click on shortcut. Then come here, enter. Every constant is on a new line. So as you let me use Naira, let me just spell it in full. So this is the shortcut key I want to use for Naira. Then you press the tab button, then you paste that symbol, then you click on set as default. So Naira has been set as default as this symbol. So okay, so whenever I need the Naira symbol, I just need to type Naira in this place. Then you see the symbol will come out and I use it in my Microsoft Word. So if I need the Ghana Cedi, CEDI, if it is the currency symbol I need is Ghana Cedi, all I need to do, I need to create a shortcut for this one. If I need the, let's say I need the yen, the Japanese yen now, YEN, I need to create a, so you can see that as I typed there, none of them came out. So let's go back to Microsoft. Let's go to insert, let's bring these symbols. So this is a Ghana Cedi here. So let's click on it. Let's copy it. Let's copy this one. Okay. Okay, copy this. Let's go and get the symbol for yen also. So this is the symbol for yen. So let's just copy the two together. All right. So all right. Okay, so let's edit this. FX, click on edit. So now let's go to setting, shortcut. So let's type CEDI, tab button, then you paste. So this is what I need. I don't need this one. Let me remove this. Okay, let's do it again. Tab button. So you paste it. I don't need this one. Okay, then set as default. Okay, yes, let's correct this one. All right, so I've done this. So okay, you see it has changed. Instead of CD, you see the symbol has come out as this. So let's do the same for the yen now. So go to a new line, YEN, tab button, you paste it. I don't want this to show there, remove this. Set as default. Let's take it back. I need to remove one of them. On set as default. Okay, so you can all see any shortcut you want to create. Make sure you type the output the way you want it to come. Your input is this, then this is your output. So this is your input, this is your output. So the symbol you want as your output, press the tab button before pressing the before putting the symbol on your right, while the input of that symbol should be on your left. Then make sure you click on the set as default, then okay. So you can see yen has come out as this. So whenever I need the yen symbol, as I type my mathematics question, maybe I want to put question on the mathematical business math, I just put YEN. So yen will just appear, then I use it in my Microsoft. If I need the Naira symbol, it should come out, I use it there. If I need the Ghana Cedi, just like so. You can bring in so many symbols as long as you want. As a science teacher, as a mathematics teacher, you can bring it in and use it anytime you want. So that is the beauty of this shortcut key. So before we go for this video, let me just show some few constants. Let's take, for example, I need a constant for gravitation now. That is 9.81 meter per second square in physics, for example. And you can create, I can take GR. You see, as I click on GR, 9.8 is not there. So I can go to setting, go to shortcut, enter a new line, just type GR. This is your input. Click the tab button, then you put the 9.81, then put your unit, which is meter seconds, then raised to power -2. You see, when I put the raised to power, I put the power in bracket. Very important. If you didn't put it in bracket, it will come out the way you want it. Then click on the set as default button. You can see it's there. So the GR will come out as this. Let's take other value. Let's take, for example, I need let's take Avogadro's number, for example. Avogadro's number. Let's take let's use AN as Avogadro's number. The tab button, then you press your 6.02. Then since it's a standard form, you can use capital E. Then before you press your 23, then make sure you press the set as default button, which is 6.02. This capital E is the standard form times 10 raised to power 23. Then let me just do one more, then that is all for this video. Let's take, I need a constant for example, let's say velocity of light. Let's say VOL. Tab button, 3 times 10 raised to power 8. Let's take capital E, put your E there. So this is shortcut for standard form. So 3E8 means 3 times 10 raised to power 8. Then you put your OK. Remember the symbols we use: GR for gravity, AN for Avogadro's number, then VOL for velocity of light. So make sure you click on this before you do your OK. So you see GR now appears as this. So this is my output, while this is my input. So whenever I need the constant gravity, I just put GRC, then take it to Microsoft Word, then you continue your work, keep typing your work, stand just like that. Let's take gravitation. So if I want to do another thing, let's say I need velocity of sound. Let's say velocity of, let's say light now, velocity of light is, so I want to bring it out easily without wasting time. I just go to FX. Now I've already programmed it here as VOL to appear there, then it will come out the way I want it. Then type your meter seconds. You know how to put your symbol there, because I didn't put the SI unit there. You can do it fast just like that. If I need the other one, as I'm doing my work, I need my Avogadro's number, just say AN. So Avogadro's has come out, then this to come out the way you want it, then continue your work just like that. So this is how you can create shortcut for mathematical symbol and constant in your classes, in your lesson note, in your textbook, depending on what you want, the way you want it. And that is all. So I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.